Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the REVOX token. Ticker symbol is REX. Now this is a huge project. You can see their Twitter here has 1.1 million followers. And the REX token, was just announced, is getting a whole bunch of very big central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on REVOX and the REX token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced on Twitter. One way to get this token, it says December 18th at 11:30 a.m. This token will be listed on Gate. So if you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gates from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at gate.io. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Then when this token gets listed on the 18th at 11:30 UTC time, you'd go into the trade section and you would search the ticker symbol REX, R-E-X, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you go over to the Twitter right here, at ReadOnMe3, huge Twitter, 1.1 million Twitter followers, has a link to their webpage right there where you're going to find all the rest of the links. Gold verified checkmark, 1,579 tweets. You scroll through, there's going to be, I scroll through their tweets, there's going to be tons of listings pop up. So there's Gate, it says here BITGET is another one, it's going to be listed on BitGet. LBANK is another one. I mean, there's so many of them, you just keep scrolling through, you're going to find more and more. I mean, they're talking about Binance Wallet. Maybe they'll even get a Binance exchange listing. I mean, just look at the followers on their huge project. So yeah, I mean, if you don't want to use one central exchange for whatever reason, or maybe it's not available in your country, you know, you just wait. There's going to be more listings pop up. It is live on LBANK's launch pool right now, so you can get involved with that. There's launch pool events before the TGE. So yeah, just scroll through all these tweets. There's going to be a place besides Gate if you don't want to get it off Gate to get it. Or you can get it in early on these launch pool events if you want to do that as well. But what is this project all about? Well, it says the mission of REVOX, agents in smart contracts. From the advancements of AI and large language models, the landscape of application development and user experience is undergoing a profound transformation. At the forefront of this evolution, REVOX emerges as a visionary platform designed to redefine the paradigm of decentralized application creation. By harnessing the power of AI, REVOX introduces an innovative framework that democratizes the development of intelligent agent-based applications. Our platform empowers developers, organizations, and individuals by offering an extensive suite of component APIs and diverse data sources. This rich ecosystem enables the creation of tailored AI agents, each uniquely crafted to meet the demands of various scenarios and challenges. At its core, REVOX champions the principles of decentralization, fostering an environment where any data source and API logic can be developed and deployed independently. This not only ensures greater flexibility and creativity, but also paves the way for a more inclusive and participatory development landscape. Our mission is to revolutionize the creation of decentralized AI applications with autonomous agents. By committing to this mission, REVOX is not just facilitating the technical groundwork for the next generation of AI-driven applications. We are also building a community and ecosystem by offering the tools and support necessary for everyone to contribute to and benefit from the vast potential of decentralized AI. We hope REVOX to be the essential tool for building any dApp with AI usage, to be the go-to platform to share third-party data and logic for open integration, to be the common interface to connect with Web3. Now they have here a roadmap, starting with the REVOX testnet, which has been, all these have been achieved that I'm going to read right here, so they're already done. The REVOX testnet, the Read-On DAO app reached 1 million downloads. Decentralized inference engine dPrompt launched. REVOX Lens launched. And REVOX Lens reached 10 million users. Also the REVOX Studio. So all those are checked off on their roadmap. And then coming up, we have the REVOX Chain Mainnet, REVOX AI Meme Token Tools, and REVOX Agent Launchpad. Now the tokenomics for the REX token, they also have the sREX token here. So it is a 3 billion total token supply. Now the REX token is the main governance token of REVOX, while sREX is the special staking token. REX can be converted into sREX with a 1-to-1 ratio without restrictions. However, sREX is non-tradable and can only be converted back to REX using specific redemption durations. Now, early redemption of sREX before the unlock period will result in a deduction of sREX. 50% of the deducted sREX is permanently burned from circulation, and 50% of the deducted sREX is allocated to the sREX staking pool, increasing rewards for long-term holders. Now, the design principles, number one is delayed staking inflation. Inflation from staking rewards is limited to sREX and dynamically delayed before reflecting in tradable REX tokens. Number two, mitigating paper hands' impact on inflation. Paper hands opting for shorter durations incur higher deduction rates, significantly alleviating inflation pressure on the REX token. This design rewards long-term holders with higher yields. Then we have number three, dynamic balance between paper hands and diamond hands. The staking pool benefits from high deductions and short duration redemptions, rewarding diamond hands with higher staking interest and incentivizing long-term holding. And number four, long-term deflation. With 50% of the deducted tokens burned, REX token is designed to be deflationary, enhancing long-term holder returns. Now, you could use the REX token for payment, for AI credits, conversion to sREX for ecosystem rewards. You could stake to AI, participation in staking pools. There's claim future tokens built on the REVOX platform. Now, 10% goes to the community and airdrops, 50% goes to the community and staking and future incentives, 5% of the tokens go to liquidity and marketing, 15% of the tokens go to team and advisors, and 20% goes to investors. Now, go check out this token. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.